Okay, so today is our first Dolly day as we head towards Splash Country.
First day we do something.
It is a Sunday, so it might be a bit busier than what it would be normally at this time of year.
First day we do something big, isn't it?
Yeah, but we had to come here today because it's not open during the week. So we had to do a weekend at Splash Country because we did want to do Splash Country. So we can't film on any of the slides, obviously. Not that I would anyway, because I don't like doing that.
Wait, did you bring the waterproof camera?
I've brought the waterproof camera, yeah, don't worry.
So why can't you go on our slides?
Because you're not allowed to.
Oh.
So, but we'll do a nice tour of the park. We'll do loads of videos of the attractions and give you some reviews of where we are. We have booked a canopy as well, so that my wife can sit in that because she doesn't really like water parks, so it'd be a bit boring for her otherwise. Dollywood Splash Country. You excited, Oles? Me and the boys love a water park. Dollywood Splash Country. 25th Riverside Trading Post. Here's the lazy river here at Dollywood. Oh no, there's a monster. So this is where our cabana is. So this is our canopy for today. So this is the lazy river here at Dolly's Splash Country, and these. There's a slide round there that's only got a 5-minute wait if you want to run your comeback round. So this is the kids splash zone, which is called Little Creek Falls. And we've got lots of canopies around here and some retreats as well. And we're in this canopy over here, Rivers Refuge. It's a good little place for the kids to play with. And there's a campsite grill up there where we got some dinner. And there's some little concessionary stands, and there's the entrance to the lazy river over there by those fountains, by the waterfalls. Tailspin Racer. Wow! This is called Tailspin Racer, and it only has a 5-minute wait time, which is a damn sight better than the water coaster, which we queued up for an hour and a half for, and I never got to go on because Josh was sick. Ollie thought the ride was sick, Josh thought the ride was sick, and then was literally sick.
Tailspin Racer. Failure to follow these rules may result in serious injury to you or others.
It's very discombobulating because I went in at the fourth one, on the yellow one, and came out on the right hand side there, which is not where I went in. And poor Ollie was very, very much slower than everybody else because he was only little. This is a Butterfly Falls slide. You'll notice the pool itself is shaped like a butterfly. Little slides. And this is the wave pool here. That's country. I've lost my family. So we've got Creekside Concessions, which is some drinks, and Campsite Grill, which is just your standard theme park fare. And then you've got the Panini Hotspot. That actually looks really good. Disappointed I didn't try that. Little chill zone, some drinks and stuff. So one thing I am disappointed about with Dollywood Splash Country is the fact that when I checked earlier on in the year, it was open on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Honestly, I think it was. Can't be 100% certain, I'm pretty certain it was. And now it's not at the time of the year we're here. It's only open at the weekends, which then means it is super, super busy. It's Sunday that we're here. And like the big rides are like 90 minutes, 60 minutes for the wait for the water coaster. We waited an hour and a half for the water coaster this morning, and didn't get on because Josh was sick just before we went on. He got a bit of a heat stroke, I think. But the park itself is really nice. I've been on a couple of rides so far. I'm going to go on a few more that don't have massive queues. There's a large tower over there with some drop slides, and then there's some slick mat racers around, and they will all have like 5-10 minutes wait, so we'll give those a go in a minute. But whilst we're here, we'll show you around the rest of the park. So here we have the lifeguard stations. Over there they do have a stage where they have some acts at the weekends and stuff. The 25th anniversary. There's a big plunge tower there which doesn't have much of a queue, so I'm going to try that in a minute. And this is the wave pool down here. Now, it doesn't have a big tsunami wave like some of them do, but it does have jar allowed tubes in it, which is good. We strongly recommend the life jackets. Yeah, I mean the waves are a little bit. So we've got some other food places here. We've got the watering hole, and then we've got the legendary fried dough, which will be probably waffle. Oh no, this is pizzas. Bear paws. So they are. Okay. So bear paws, which are flatbreads. So you can get sweet ones and savoury ones. Now down here we've got so Big Bear Plunge has got a 60-minute wait, so we sure ain't going on that anytime soon.
Are we taking the cup with us?
And that ride there, so it's a big family raft ride, but it doesn't look particularly long. Sure, don't feel it's worth a 60-minute wait. I mean, I'm not sure it is 60 minutes looking at that queue. There's a bit of a queue once you get past there, I guess. And then down here, to the left of Big Bear Plunge, we've got River Rush. Now, River Rush is water coaster, which we never got to go on this morning, which I'm a little bit bitter about. But it looks super cool, and Ollie and Sophie said it was amazing, so good on them, I guess. There's River Rush. We're just should we see if we can get a one of the tubes coming out? That queue looks a good hour and a half from there. It kept breaking down this morning. It was down more than it was up. Here comes someone out the hole. Here comes someone. There they go. And then up there. But Ollie said it was amazing, so I'm glad he went on it. And this is the fire tower, which we're going to I'll bring Ollie down in a bit, and he can have a little bit of a play around there. This looks like there's some interesting slides and lots of different places you can get wet. Now you've got here the dogs and taters, chicken tenders and curly fries. foot-long hot dogs. All good. There's some restrooms over here on the left, but we're going to scoot around the back of these restrooms and have a look at the cascades. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at this. Have a quick look at this slide here. Now, there isn't a queue for this, but I don't think we're going to get Ollie to go on it. There's a queue, but it's not a big queue. Probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes, I suppose. Should probably stay lying down all the way down, mate. So if we head round to the left of these restrooms here, past fire station, got the name of it already, and we can head around here to the Cascade. Now, Cascades is probably where I should have listened to my own instincts and got us a cabana by the Cascade. So the Cascades is a little pool area with some kids slides and stuff. And it's obviously been made to look like cascades in a river. It's very nice. So this speed slide is called Fire Tower Falls. So we've got the butterfly pool here with the butterfly slides, which there is no wait for. We'll give those you. Swift Water Run and Slick Rock Racer. They both said they had a 5-minute wait. That looks a bit more than 5 minutes to me. And then up here is where you pick up your tubes for those two rides. Going to do the butterfly in a minute. There's no queue for that. Wild River Falls tubes. So we'll give those a go in a minute. They don't look too bad. So these are Wild River Falls. One's in California and one's in Tennessee. Wild River Falls. Hello?
Yeah, it's a nice park.
It's a good...
Not a huge park, but
No,
it's
it's not
a nice
massive,
park.
is it? It stands right here. I don't know why. No reason or anything, I guess. So this is Bear Mountain Firehouse. Oh, pathetic. Oh no, he got me! Ah! This is Big Bear. This is Bear Mountain Fire Tower. It's a really cool play area for kids and for adults alike. It's a really cool play area for kids and adults. And that is the water bucket of doom. So a little explore around. Backwards, backwards, backwards. Have you stood under the big bucket yet?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so that is the end of our day here at Dollywood Splash Country. It was very busy, well, a lot busier than we'd hoped. It is a Sunday. We had no choice because it's only open at the weekends at the moment. But it's a really good water park. We had some good times. Me and Josh didn't get on the water coaster because he was a little bit sick before he went on. But other than that, like any water park, the capacity is influenced by the fact that most rides are they're not high capacity. The throughput is influenced by the fact that most of the rides aren't high capacity. But we still had a good day. Would I recommend it? Yeah, especially if you're in the area. It's well worth a visit. I enjoyed it. There's lots of good rides. There's a good lazy river. The wave pool's good, isn't it, Ollie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also the slide that Dad and Josh didn't go on because Josh got a little bit sick.
The water coaster.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah. And the boys really loved the Big Bear Falls firehouse, didn't you? Bear Mountain Firehouse. They thought that was really awesome as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, good water park. Recommended? Yes. So in signing off, the last thing I'm going to say is get out there and enjoy your world. Like we have. We've come quite a long way to enjoy our world today. You have been watching Munchie Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.